Hey guys, Ashton here with another video for FashionMeCurvy, and today we're going to find our shape by doing a quiz on Stitch Fix. What you're going to need to do is in the address bar up there is type in www.stitchfix.com and it will come to the front page. What we're going to do is we're either going to click women or men to find out our shape, and in our case I am a woman, so I am going to click on woman. Women, not men, not woman. Anyways, and then we're going to go click on the style guide, and we are going to scroll down until we find a blog post that is called The Guide, Dressing for Your Body Shape. We're going to click on that, and of course I'm going to have all the links down below in my description just to take you there quicker. And then we're going to find the things to take the quiz and discover your shape, and we're going to click on that. Now we are going to want to answer these questions as honest as we can, and I chose I'm busty on the top and curvy on my lower half, which is true in what I think. So we're going to click that. And next it says my hips are narrow, my hips are more or less average, my hips are the widest part of my body, and I chose that my hips are the widest part of my body. And it says I have narrow shoulders, my shoulders are pretty average, I have wide shoulders. I think that I have pretty average shoulders, so I clicked on my shoulders are pretty average. It says my waist is the widest part of my frame, my waist is the narrowest part of my frame, my waist is neither wide or it's average, and I chose my is neither wide or narrow. And here it says you're an hourglass shape. That's what the site told me that I am. It tells you about what it is, and it says get more facts about your hourglass shape figure, and we're going to click on that. And it's going to pull us to a page that has a bunch of facts about our figures. If you feel like your shape isn't what the website gave you, then you can retake your quiz again. And if you do find it that is your shape, then you can go down and read the guidelines for dressing for your shape. And it has several different areas of expertise talking about tops, adding layers, pants, belts, everything that you should do. It tells you everything that you should not do as well. And it tells you the links, just everything so detailed that you probably couldn't find anywhere else about your shape. That's what I really love about this site when I was looking it up to see if I wanted to try Stitch Fix for myself, which they seem like a very great company and would love to help out other people that are struggling with dressing themselves. Plus, they give you a guideline and you can go shopping for yourself. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you're new. And if you're old to my channels, welcome back, muffins. I love you. Bye guys!